Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I want to present about Industrial Training Presentation Faculty of Agro-Based Industry 2019, and my name is Muhammad Iqmal Hafiz bin Syaiful Azhar, company name Jabatan Pertanian Negeri Sembilan Daerah Port Dickson. Okay, this is week 2, myself, week 6, colleges, week 10, supervisor, and week 14, organization. Introduction to organization. The Department of Agriculture was established in 1905. The main task of the Department of Agriculture at that time was to implement the agricultural policies that had been outlined by the government. These include those concerned with abolition of contract labor, specializing land of Bumiputra. Organization background. In the Federal Agreement of Malaysia 1974, in line with the establishment of state government, provision have also been made to enable the establishment of state agriculture department in each state. Vision of the Department of Agriculture toward creating a competitive agricultural industry, the production of quality products, safe and environmentally friendly, as well as export-oriented. This is the organization chart. Carta Organisasi Jabatan Pertanian Negeri Sembilan. Organization activity. The Land Resource Management and Conservation Division is one of the technical division in the Department of Agriculture, which is responsible for providing support services related to land management. Services provided include aspect of land investigation and classification, land use investigation. Organization activity. The Biosecurity Division protect the country agricultural sector from the attack and spread of diseases and pests through consultancy services as well as expertise and control program in the field of crop protection and plant quarantine. Organization direction. The Tree Doctor Development Clinic is a place where people can channel and resolve any problem and related to agricultural activity, and a place where customer can meet with agricultural expert to obtain any agricultural information. Introduction. Summary of industrial training activity. During my industrial training at the Port Dickson Agriculture Office, I have visited several sites of agricultural area managed by agri-entrepreneur under the product Port Dickson Agriculture Office. Summary of daily activity. The activity I did during the industrial training at the Negeri Sembilan Department of Agriculture was to visit entrepreneurs who have created and developed agriculture-based products throughout Negeri Sembilan. Technical report. Introduction. I have done 3 specific tasks, namely investigation of idle land, good agricultural practice to improve the yield and quality of paddy, rice check, and have made the self-sufficiency rate SSR 2019 of the Department of Agriculture Negeri Sembilan. Investigation of idle land. The definition of idle land is land or paddy land with a minimum area of 0.4 hectares and above, whether continuous or scattered, which is own land that has not been cultivated for 3 consecutive years. Rice check. Rice check is a guide to manage paddy crop according to set target. The self-sufficiency rate SSR 2019. The compilation of UTS covers selected agricultural commodities according to 3 categories, namely crop, fruit, vegetable, and other crop, livestock, and fisheries. Conclusion. By realizing the advantage and the limitless amount of benefit that can be accomplished by all parties through this industrial training, the excellent collaboration between the universities and the industry must be greatly considered. Suggestion for industrial training program: preparing the industrial training implementation schedule, delivering the industrial training briefing to the student and university supervisor. Suggestion for organization: companies or firm also play an important role in providing guidance to students about things that are appropriate to the courses studied by students. Thus, the firm should provide employment properties opportunities such as assignment to students. suggestion for myself, exploring and gathering information about the industrial training industry for the approval of the School Industrial Training Committee, officially informing the School Industrial Training Committee on the acceptance or decline of the placement offer. This is the appendix. Okay, thank you.